Dr. Orderbrick again, talking about acupuncture and Acudetox in recovery. Acupuncture, specifically Acudetox, is a form of acupuncture that's very useful in recovery. It actually promotes about a doubling of long-term sobriety and clean time by reconnecting different parts of the brain and helping to relieve stress and anxiety. It's just truly amazing how well this stuff works.
Acupuncture and Acudetox. This can be quite helpful and has been shown to actually double the success rate for long-term recovery from drug abuse, useful in all the different types of drugs of abuse that there are. Acupuncture is a form of Chinese medicine that's over 5,000 years old. It's still being used simply because it works. The theory behind acupuncture is that there is a flow of qi, the vital life force, in everybody. This energy of life flows through specific channels called meridians. Treatment can be done with beads, seeds, needles with electrical charges applied, and needles with specific Chinese herbs burned. This is called moxibustion. The needles seem to work the best. It's got an amazingly calming effect. Patients describe it as being washed over with a wave of well-being, anything like I've ever felt in my life. It's very common to see people coming in when they're just really, really stressed out. They just need to kill something. They're so stressed out. Put the needles in, check back on them in a little bit, and they're splayed out across the chair with their tongue hanging out looking like roadkill. It's just so amazingly relaxing. People just love it when they come in, and especially when they're in early recovery and they're very stressed and jittery and upset and anxious and have a million problems and their brain can't shut down. To put these needles in, it's pretty much painless to put the needles in. The effect is just nothing short of amazing. Patients love it. They truly do. And again, it does not matter what substance has been abused. It has this calming effect across all the different parts of the brain and all the different substances of abuse. There are 5 acupuncture points in the outer ear that are treated. The Shen Man is called the heavenly gate. This calms the spirit, decreases anxiety, insomnia, and pain. Sympathetic calms the fight or flight response. It's also good for sympathetic nervous system balancing. Kidney deals with emotion and fear. Liver detoxifies, unblocks stuck energy, emotional and physical, especially people with chronic anger issues. It helps that a great deal. Lung also helps us to let go, especially of grief and sadness and anger as well. There's also a point behind the Shen Men on the other side of the ear that's very useful for treating attention deficit hyperactivity disorders. We can treat that. Sometimes we'll even just treat that with a bead taped in place and let the patient leave the office with it. Folks who have trouble focusing and concentrating can just reach up and kind of press on that point with the bead in it when they're feeling like they need to concentrate a little bit better, and it does help.